Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz from Oz Mechanics, and on today's video, what we have today is going to be a fun video. So in this container right here, I have a fuel filter. So this fuel filter right here has been sitting here for about a couple of months, and this is from a customer's vehicle that I worked on, and it was basically clogged up. So this is the original fuel filter that the customer had, and what I want to do on this video, I want to go ahead and dissect this, open it up, and then check out the filter. So how about we just get into it and let's see what we find inside this.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we just cut this open, so let's check the inside of it. Look at all this. It's dark, rusty, just looks nasty. So let's look at this right here. The inside, I don't know if you can see that. Kind of rust stains on there, and look at the filter part, just a bunch of stuff right here, and you can tell right here, how are you going to even filter anything out? How are you even going to get flow through there? This is just a bunch of nastiness right here. So let me just show you another filter, and this is actually from an old filter, but it's the same concept right here, just paper cartridge and paper filter right there. As you can see, nice and clean, not looking too bad. And then we have this one right here, and if I'm not mistaken, this vehicle had almost 300,000 miles on it, had a lot of mileage. And the code that I had, it had a lean code, so P0171 and P0174. Luckily I was doing some couple tests on it, hooked up my amp clamp to my fuel pump, and I noticed that the amperage was really high. So I went ahead, took off the fuel filter. When I did that, I tried to blow through it, and it was really hard to blow through. Went ahead, switched it out, got my fuel trends back down where I wanted them to. So just, you know, something for all you mechanics out there, or just anyone that has an older vehicle that has an inline fuel filter. Don't forget to change them out. So like I said, check this out. Look at the little rust stains, look how nasty, and it does not look good. So there you go. I just made this video for y'all. I've actually been having this fuel filter just hanging out on the side for about 2 months. I really wanted to make sure that it was drained out, there's no fumes in there, and then after that I wanted to cut it up and show y'all this process, you know, a little fun video. Hope y'all like. If you want to see other stuff being opened up, put it down in the comments. I do want to make some newer videos for y'all. I want to entertain y'all on this. But let's end this off, and let's just say, like I always say, hope y'all like this video. Please throw a big thumbs up if you do like this video. If you don't, let me know why. And on top of that, don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get all the brand new videos coming out from Oz Mechanics.